Hi, welcome back. Jason Muszala with Flying Heritage Aircraft Maintenance again, and we don't have much maintenance to talk about this month because most of our efforts have been in the restoration department. As you can see, the White 25 ME-262 airplane behind me, this is what's taken most of our time for the month of September. The fighter rebuilders crew has been up working hard alongside FHC mechanics, and we've made a lot of progress. Some of you may have attended the event last month, which was a big success, and since that event we've ran both engines, and currently we're tackling issues with the Riedel starter motors, which a lot of you mistake for chainsaws or weed eaters or other funny comments like that, but they're actually two-cylinder, two-stroke engines that start the jet engines, and without those the big engines don't run. So a lot of time's been focused on that, but the fighter rebuilders crew's been doing a really good job nailing those down. So we expect to do more test runs and taxi tests later this month before we make the big move over the hill, as you all know. Next month will be a little bit more of the same, a lot of ME-262 focus as well as annual inspections. We'll be getting back into the nitty-gritty of all of our annual inspections on the flyable FHC aircraft. So stay tuned, we'll see you next month.